Hello, edge worker. Today I'm gonna sharpen my favorite knife. This is my favorite knife. This is a project that I've been delayed because I don't have the time to replace the handle. But I love using this knife. This is I don't know what kind of steel it is because when I receive it, when I purchased this second hand, and I forgot to ask the owner what kind of steel it is, but I reckon this is a carbon steel or some sort of 50 to 100 like that, because it has built up a patina, a nice patina on it. Okay, I'm gonna use my Kintif 400, 1K and 3K to put a good edge on this one before I send this knife to rehandle. I guess I put this away sharp. Okay. Yeah, sharp, but yeah, let's dull it. Why not? Yeah, you can see the stone here, right? This have been quite some time. I think this is some irregularity in the stone matrix, but doesn't affect much on my sharpening. Okay, let sharpen. It's dull. It's the edge is reflecting light, and it's dull. Let sharpen it. And just like that, I got about full length from the heel to the tip, and this is the edge. The edge and Burr. Nice. Let's do some minimization pass and then switch over to 1K. Okay, the Burr has flipped. This is to weaken the Burr, yeah. Now let's switch the stone to 1K. You see the loading here is pretty easy. You just put your water, scrub, and it's gone. Okay. This stone will be just refinement because I have set the bevel using the 400. as I'm mentioning in my previous video, the first stone is the crucial one, because you set your bevel, you remove your damage, and then you apex it using your first stone. Then the second stone or the third stone is just refinement of the edge. Swap, 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 and it's clean. Okay. It's pretty much burr free, not burr free, minimal burr on the knife, because I can hear it from the stone when I put the knife on the stone. There's no much not so much screeching. That's how you determine it. Okay, right, let's see what have the 3K done to my edge. Oh man, this is nice. This is nice. I need to do this. Oh man, this is just nice. You can see the reflection on this knife, just of the 3K. This is just nice. And it got a lot of bite too. This is before sharpening, yeah. Towards the tip there is some catch. So let's stop it using my 4K and then 1K. Okay, sorry, 4 micron. Why? Why 4K? New stone. Okay, cut this one more time. Let's swap it. A little catch at the tip, but it is okay. A nice one, very nice edge, very bitey and shiny edge. That's it, folks. Zulu Killer signing out.